Okay, so for Sprint 5, extra credit. First, a complete simple game of two human players with them being recorded. So I'm going to click record game here first, and you can see I implemented this print statement because as I was working out a bug while I was creating it. So person versus person. So we're just going to be really simple so we can demonstrate player one wins, which is correct. Okay. You can see here game recorded in this text doc, and it was a game from earlier, but you can see the moves get read into the document like this. Um, the replay game function, I did not get all the way bugged out yet. I'm having an error reading the file. I've got it to work through a couple of times, but I seem to have some logic errors on getting it to replay. So, but it is being recorded correctly inside the text files. So I have that half of it. The replay is not fully implemented. It's in progress, but record game is completed. So, next we're going to skip to 3 for a complete simple game of human computer. So, and let's go with size 4 for fun. We're going to record and start. Let's go. Oh, okay. All right. That was a simple person versus computer game recorded, and it should have, as you can see, overwritten the previous one inside this file. So next we're going to a do a general game of two human players. That was number 2. So we're just going to do 4 here as well. Person versus person. Uh, okay, S. That means player 1 gets another turn. Players two's turn. S. Oh, I should have done that. Whatever. All right, we're just going to fill in the rest of the boxes here. All right, player 1 wins. Okay, game recorded. It created a new notepad called text3 for this version. So now from here, we are going to go on to a complete general game of human computer. So we're going to start record person versus computer. All right. I am just one player. Oh, I don't think I clicked on general. There we go. Sorry. There we go. S, 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 O, S. Let's just spam. Okay. Player 1 wins. I still have that cosmetic issue with my scoreboard. It's tracking the points correctly. It's just not implementing it visually on the GUI. But I mean, that's not a requirement. That's just something I wanted to add myself, but it wasn't required of the assignment. And the game was recorded now in game 5. TXT was created for that. So complete a simple game of computer versus computer. Oh, forgot to enter the board size. You can see there what was the invalid message for board size. So let's record and start. I set a time tick delay on the placing of the letters whenever it's a computer versus computer game. Otherwise, they all, at least visually to the human eye, appear to spawn in instantaneously and you can't watch the gameplay. Okay, it's a draw. Yay. All right. So next, we need to do a complete general game of computer versus computer. So general for record computer versus computer. And same thing, I implemented the 1 second delay between letter placement so that it will be slower so that we can actually watch. It's a tie. Okay, so those are all of the features. I can open all of the TXT files that are generated by this as games are played. They all get stored within the SRC. I don't have the replay feature fully implemented, as I said, but the record game feature was completed.